Will you let honesty and ethics guide all your action? Keep learning. Will you continue learning and stay updated on new development? Will you use your skill to help others and contribute to your community and country? Will you respect our profession, tradition, and welcome new idea? Yung uli, lagyan mo ng music, ha? Pagkahuli na, may music pa tayo dyan sa uli. Kalas pa ba yan? Para may good value pa. Will you practice and promote good values in your life and work? Okay. Will you give salary to your parents or guardian good activity? Mami, kaya ka sa likod. Hindi natin, salary. Will you give your first salary to your parents or guardian good activity? Yes. Parents, ay na sumagot ka na yes. Sa likod. Ulit-ulit. Will you give your first salary to your parents or guardian good activity? Lalo mo iingay, hindi naman.
Aray ko. Salary.
So to all our new REs, earlier pins were distributed amongst you. Please take out those pins, but you will not be pinning it on yourselves. You will be pinning it to the person right next to you.
To the person right next to you. Sila. Pinning. Okay, this is the moment. Meaning right next to you, hindi na yung guardian or parents, sila na ang magpipin right next to you. Palitan na. Ito lang kami. Pinning of badge right next to you. Palitan sila. Hindi na yung mga mommy o daddy. Dito lang kami. Sila-sila na lang. Moments nila.
Tapos na kayo? Mag-uot na tayo. Parang ayaw nyo eh. So,
Tapos
ito
na.
na tayo sa photo professional. Please raise your right hand.
Diretso na
and
tong
repeat
video ko.
after me. Yung black dito, parang dito na sasabihin. State your name, tapos sa all the address ha. Para maganda pakinggan sa audio. So, raise your right hand, please. I. State your name. Ulit tayo. Parang ayaw mo eh, mahina eh. Lopat. Kung hindi kayo nag-charge ng cellphone na. State your name. Of your address. Hereby solemnly swear. That I will support and defend. The Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authority of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the electrical engineering professions of the Philippines. And that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the responsibility and obligation incumbent upon the legally authorized registered electrical engineers. So help me God. Congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations once again, newly minted registered electrical engineers. Give yourselves another round of applause. You may now be seated. We proceed to the charging and the oath taking of the new members of the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers of the Philippines.